Okay, Cal. Now that I have an account and I know which property I want to bid on, can I just start bidding?
Uh, you should do some more research and planning first.
Like what? I already know the price range, and look, it's on sale too.
Oh, whoa. Slow down, then. The auction's open for another 9 days. See the closing date? And do you even know what you're going to use the property for? Do you know how you're going to pay for the property? Have you been to the open house? Have you even driven by the property? You always need to visit the property before bidding or buying, or at least look thoroughly at the video walkthrough.
Give me a second. Okay, Cal. I think I got it all together now. So, I drove by the property and I went to the open house. And there's a hole in the roof that I'm definitely going to need to fix, but I still want to buy the property and flip it. I also got a letter from my lender who says that they'll loan me $156,000 for the property. And I also budgeted $10,000 in my savings so that I can pay all the down payments and any fees that come along with it. Oh, and I also checked in with the city about what I can and can't do with the property.
Great. Okay, now you can bid on the property.
But what if I have more questions?
Use the contact button on MinBid's website, and it will send a message straight to Hennepin County.